everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through how to sign PDF document on laptop. To do so, first of all you need to have a digital signature. For that, go through the online signature generator and select any website. Now click on the draw signature and first of all draw your signature over here. Now hit on the save and then simply download that signature. Now what you can do is simply drag and drop this signature photo in your PDF. This is the only way to sign PDF document on laptop. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.